So in front of me is a keyboard and I simply turn on the number lock. So my computer is running on Windows OS and I turn on the number lock. And this is the Alt key on the left side of my spacebar and simply press and all this Alt key. Okay, at the same time I also open an application Microsoft Word or PowerPoint in my computer and I type 127815. After typing 127815 I release my finger from this Alt key. So if you open this in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, you must type after opening Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you can see that the grape symbol have been arrived in your computer. So if you want to change the color, then also you can do here from. So you can change your color of the grape. Of this video helps you. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. So remember, the Alt code is Alt 127815. Thank you.